Dear student, today I am going to start the lesson number 2, playing with numbers of class 6 maths textbook. Before we start this lesson, you should know some of the very important terms for this lesson. First of all, you should know numerical expression. What is numerical expression? Expression which are made of numerals and two or more fundamental operational symbols are known as numerical expression. So now it is clear that a numerical expression form of numerals and fundamental operational symbol. In the earlier classes you have done so many calculations using these symbols. Look at the board. This symbol is used for addition, and this symbol used for subtraction, and this symbol used for multiplication, and this symbol used for division. So these are the symbols which are called fundamental operational symbol. These are the fundamental operational symbol. Remember these symbols. Again, to form numerical expression, one more thing is needed, that is numerals. So you have learned Indian system of numeration, and also you have learned international system of numeration. So the symbols used in Indian system of numeration for writing numerals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These are the symbols used in Indian system of numeration to write numerals, and these symbols are also called digits. So for writing numerals we use sometimes single digit. For we write only one digit, that is 4. Again, sometimes for writing numeral for one digit 8, we write only one digit, that is 8. Or to write numeral we use 2 digit, sometimes like 19, 20, 57. These are all numerals of 2 digit. Or we use 3 digit also to write numerals, sometimes like 215, 300, 400, like that. You can see here in all these numerals there are 3 digits. Similarly, we write 4 digit for writing 4 digit numeral. For example, smallest 4 digit numeral is 1000. You can see here in 1000 there are 4 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this all the numerals, if you go forward, then you will get 1001, so on till 9999, you will get all the 4 digit numeral and so on. I hope you all have understood what is numeral, and now I am going to teach you how a numerical expression we form from a given statement. So I will show you. Now let us take this example. This question you will find in your textbook, exercise number 2.1 of lesson number 2. From this question I am going to explain you the answer for this question. Now let us read the main question first. Write the numerical expression. We have to write numerical expression for each of the following using brackets. So let us read the question from where we have to make the numerical expression. 6 multiplied by 1 less than the difference of 13 and 7. As we have to use bracket for this numerical expression, let me introduce the brackets. Look at the board. This bracket is known as first bracket or parenthesis. So in a numerical expression this bracket is almost first, and let us come to this next bracket. You can see this bracket is known as curly bracket or second brackets. So I am writing second bracket so that you will feel very easy to by heart this bracket. So second brackets normally you can use. Again come to the third bracket. This bracket is known as square bracket. You can see it is look like we are breaking one square into two parts. So we will say this is square bracket and it is also called third bracket. And now you can see this symbol. This is known as bar or vinculum. So for forming any numerical expression or simplifying any numerical expression, we should remember this bracket, because while we will simplify any numerical expression, we have to open the brackets so that we will get the answer. For that we have to open the small bracket first, and then we have to open the next bracket, that is second bracket. After that only we can use open the bracket, third bracket. And for this bar I will show you the calculation later. Now let us read the question again and try to form the numerical expression for this. Okay, now let read it again. 6 multiplied by 1 less than the difference of 13 and 7. We have to multiply 6 with whom? With all these things. 1 less than the difference of 13 and 7. So in the forming numerical expression, we should always remember less is used for subtract and more is used for addition. Okay, sometimes we may ask like that, 5 times 6, it is 5 times 6 is 30, yes or no? So time is used for multiplication. Sometimes you may get times, like times, it is used for multiplication. Okay, so you have to keep in mind while you are writing numerical expression. Now for subtracting 1 from where? We have to subtract 1 from where? From the difference of 13 and 7. Let us write the difference of 13 and 7 almost first. 13 and 7. This is the difference. Difference means what? Difference means subtraction. Okay, difference means subtraction. So we have written here, it is 13 minus 7. This is the difference of 13 and 7. Okay, and we have to subtract 1, means 1 less. We have to make 1 less from their difference. We will not find the difference now, only we are writing in formal way. It is 13 minus 7 is the formal way of difference. I am not finding the difference of how much it is now, because we have to find 1 less from their difference. So we will put these things into bracket so that I can subtract 1 from their difference. So I have put this difference into bracket. Here you have to observe one thing, that I am using first bracket first in a numerical expression. In a numerical expression, first bracket I am using. Now from this difference I have to subtract 1, because 1 less than the difference of 17 and 13. 13 and 17, sorry, 13 and 7. So from the difference of 13 and 7, I am going to make 1 less. It is less means subtract. So here is the statement, 1 less than the difference of 13 and 7. So now what I have to do? I have to multiply these things, these whole things by 6. So that after putting first bracket, if you need any bracket, then we have to use is second bracket, not third bracket directly. We cannot skip any bracket. So before we have used first bracket, now I need one more bracket to multiply the whole thing by 6. Now, so I hope you have understood this. Let's move to the next very important topics. Simplifications of numerical expression. Simplification is numerical expression is not so easy like simple addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, because here we use 2 or more than fundamental operational symbol. If only one symbol is there, 2 into 5, then usually we can say then 2 5 are 10. It is very simple calculation. But numerical expression is not so simple to calculate. So we will follow this very famous rule, which is called BODMAS rule. So to simplify any numerical expression, we must use BODMAS rule, otherwise our answer will not be correct. So what is BODMAS rule? I will explain you by giving some examples, and also I will let me tell you what is B stand for, what is O stand for, and what is D stand for, and what all the letters in BODMAS is stand for. Now look at this, first letter is B. So B is used for bracket, means if any brackets appear in the numerical expression, we have to open the bracket first, because it is almost first. You can see almost first B and then O, and I will tell you all the things, but B is first, means we have to open always bracket first. After that we have to calculate O. O is for multiplication. If you will find any of in your numerical expression, you can look at here in this example I have written already. You see 3 of 2. This means 3 into 2. That calculation I will show you I will show you by solving this numerical expression. So you have understood what this means. Of. Of is multiplication. After bracket opening, we should go for of calculation. After that, we have to do the division calculations. After doing of, we will calculate the division part. If any other fundamental symbols are there, we will not even touch that symbol. We will not calculate that symbol wherever and whatever it is. But after of, we will go for division first. Here you can see multiplication is there, addition is there, subtraction. We can't go in that, because rule is saying that after bracket we should go for of. After of, we should go for division. Directly we can't do any other calculation like addition into multiplication and other. So after division, you have to look at the expression properly. If you find any multiplication in that, then you have to go for multiplication. After multiplication, again you have to go forward. Again you have to see that any addition is there or what. You have to go for addition after multiplication only. And finally, we do subtraction to get the final answer. So now let me solve this answer for you to understand this BODMAS rule better. So look at the board carefully. Don't skip any step. I will tell you one by one step. First, you can see in this example there is a bracket. So what is rule saying? Rule is saying that we have to open the bracket first. Then remaining things we have to write as it is. 12 divided by 3. These all things I will not do now. These all things let it be like that. So till here we have to go, and after that what we will do? I will open this bracket. Now do the calculation. 4 minus 2 is what? It is 2. Okay, so we have opened the bracket, and next step is to calculation of. Now you can see in the second step there is a of in this, between these two numeral. You can see 2 and 3. So we will go for this calculation. You can see 2 divide this. All other things we have to write as it is. Now we will write 3 to the 6, because of means multiplication in numerical expression. So 3 of 2 will be 6, and all other things you can see here, from here we have to write as it is. Okay, now we have removed the bracket, and then we have calculated of, and now we have to go for division. You will look at the numerical expression now, and then find where is the division. You can see here it is division. So division symbol, you can see here, it is lying between these two numbers. Then we will do division of these two numbers only. So means 12 divided by 6. What will be 12 divided by 6? 12 divided by 6 will be 2. Then I have done this division, I got 2, and after that all the other things will be as it is. You can see here it is as it is. So slowly we have to move forward to get the answer. So we have done division also. Now we have to search for the multiplication in the expression. You can see here now what is left. Anywhere multiplication is there? Yes, it is there. You can see this multiplication is there between these two number. That means we have to multiply these two number only, and then remaining things will be as it is. You can see this 2 and this plus will be as it is. Only I will multiply these two number and I will write here 2 5s are 10. Okay, then I will write the -2 here. So these two multiplied, then I got 10. So after that, after multiplication, what I have to do? I have to go for addition. You see in the expression, where is addition? You can see this is the addition symbol. It is lies between these two number. So we will add these two number first. After that only we will go for subtraction. If you will directly subtract 10 minus 2, then your answer will be wrong. Or sometimes it may be correct also, but it is by chance. By chance only you may be correct, but this will not be correct always. Now we will go for addition. You can see here it is 2 plus 10 is 12, and minus, after that, after addition of these two number, we have to write this. So we left the final calculation. So we are going for the final calculation. You can see here subtraction is almost last. So you can see here it is. So we'll do the subtract now. So 12 minus 2 is 10. So here is the answer for this numerical expression. Now let's move to the question number 3. You will find this question in your textbook, exercise 2.1. From this question I am going to solve Roman number 3, this question. Now look at the board carefully. Along with this simplification, I will explain you the BODMAS rule again and again. So look at the board carefully. So solution. So you can see we have all the 3 brackets in this numerical expression. You can see here it is a small bracket, and after that it is second bracket, and then you can see this is third bracket, which is also called square brackets. Now according to rule, we have to open the small bracket first. Always in a numerical expression, if so many brackets are there, you have to go for the small bracket first, and other things you can let it be like that. You can see I am 20 divided by third bracket 18 minus second bracket 20 minus 3, and I am going to open this bracket. To open brackets, we have to calculate the inside things of the bracket. Only if it is last calculation left. You can see only final calculation left in this 9 minus 5. Whenever final calculation left inside bracket, then only we can open the bracket. You can see only 9 minus 5 if you will do, it will be enough. So one more thing I want to tell you, you can't see any sign between this bracket and this number. If you will find that like this question in other questions of question number 3, then you have to put multiplication in between them, because any numeral lies before the bracket without any symbol, that means it is multiplication. Here I put the multiplication symbol. Okay, now that means I have to put multiplication here, and then I will go for this calculation to open the bracket. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 9 minus 5 will be 4, and this bracket we will remove after this calculation. And then, but we cannot open this second bracket. It will be as it is, how it was before. Okay, now let's move to the next step. 120 divided by these things, always let it be as it is, how it is. 18 minus again, now we are going to remove this second bracket first, then only we will be able to remove the third bracket. First we have to open the second bracket. After first bracket we have to open the second bracket, then only we will go for third bracket. Now see here, inside the second bracket there are so many calculations left, so directly we cannot open this bracket. You can see there are still so many calculations left, so we cannot open this bracket. But in this small bracket you can see there was only final calculation, so we have calculated and we have wrote removing the bracket here. Okay, but here we can't open this bracket, second bracket directly, because there are so many calculations left. So we'll do the calculation first and then only we'll open the bracket when the final calculation will left. Now inside the bracket, for calculating the things inside the bracket also we have to follow this BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, if division is there, we have to do division first. If multiplication is there, and then we have to do multiplication next, and then addition and subtraction. This rule we have to follow to calculate the inside things of a bracket also. Now you can see here it is 20 minus 3 into 4. Here what is the sign we have to calculate first? There is no division, so we will skip this, then we will get multiplication. That means we have to do the multiplication first. Multiplication is lies between these two numbers, so we will do multiplication of these two numbers only. That other things, let it be like that. 20 minus 3 4s are 12. Now these two multiplied, then we got 12. Now this, put this bracket, and still the third bracket will be as it is, and then second bracket also will be as it is. Now we cannot open. Now in the next step we are going to open the second bracket. You see 18 minus, till here I have written. Now see, you can see here one final calculation left. We can open bracket when the final calculation left. You can see 20 minus 12 will be how much? 20 minus 12 will be 8. So we have done the final calculation, so the second bracket remove, and still the third bracket have to open. Now go for the next step. 120 divided by, you can see here this bracket we can open very easily because there is only final calculation left. So we'll do the calculation, then this bracket also will be open. 18 minus 8 will be 10. Okay, this bracket open. Now 120 divided by 10 will be 12. So here is the answer for this question. I hope you will follow this step to solve all the other question from question number 3. Now let's move to next number, that is Roman number 5 of the same question, and then we'll follow the same method to solve this numerical expression also. Now let us solve this. Look at the board carefully. Look at the board carefully. See, here we have to open the small bracket first and then we go for off. But you can see here inside the small bracket, here off is already there. So we'll open both the things together, and but other things we let them be like that. Okay, you see 120 third bracket 132 divided by, we have to do this calculation, then this first bracket will be open, then 3 4s are 12, and after that this you can see minus, and the remaining things let it be as it is. 20 minus, and you can see this sign above these two numbers. This sign also we should calculate almost first. This side is bar. If bar is there above any two numbers, then you should do that calculation first. We can do now itself this calculation. So you remember these things. Bar should be open first. So 15 minus 3, it will be 12. So these two things we should do first. 15, because above these two number there is bar calculation you should do first. But you avoid these things. You think of this 15 and 15 minus 3 only. Avoid these things. 15 minus 3 is 12. We have written here. You can see 20 minus this symbol still here. Okay, now let's move to the next step. Next step, 120 minus 132 divided by, now we are going to open this second bracket. Second bracket, to open this second bracket we have to calculate this so that we can open the second bracket. 12 minus, now we can open this bracket because there is only final calculation left. 20 minus 12 will be 8. So this bracket removed, then the third bracket is still left. Okay, now we'll go for the next step. You can see here the third brackets we cannot open directly. Why? Because there are so many calculations left in this bracket, and inside the bracket also we have to follow the BODMAS rule: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now see in the inside the bracket there is any division or not. You can see this is the division symbol between these two number. You see, that means we have to divide these two number, and I will write here. So what will be the division of these two number? You can directly divide 132 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 1 again 12 came down, again 12 ones are 12. So if we will divide these two number, then we will get 11 answer, and the minus 8, this will be remain same. Now you see inside this third bracket the final calculation left, so we can open now. 20 minus, this is 8 minus 11 minus 8 will be 11 minus 8 will be 3. So we will do the final calculation now. 120 divided by 3, subtract 120 minus 3 will be 117. So here is the answer for this question.